Hey guys, today we have this 2011 Nissan Rogue, and customer only have one key fob, so we're gonna add another one and program it. All right, let's get started. All right, so this one, we'll see what type of ignition that does it have. As you can see, this is a twist knob. This is what you call a twist knob. Still a smart key, but you have to twist it to start the car. Let's go ahead and check how this works. Hold on. All right, so we have two keys here, two key fob. This one works and the other one is the unprogrammed one. So first thing we're gonna do, let's see if it start the car. This one will start the car. Well, at first let's go ahead, hide these two. Okay. Normally this one should, this pouch here should hide the frequency so you won't detect it to the car. We'll see if it works. I'm gonna put both of them here. We'll see if it detect it or not. I'll put it up here on top of the car. We'll see. See, you can't twist it, so that means there's no key. As you can see, it says key is not detected. If I try to move it, key is not detected. So I'm gonna take one out. Take one out here. Let's try the one. Take the one that's unprogrammed. Just want to show you that this is not programmed. So I'm gonna put the one on top. This one here. So let's put it here. Let's see. Let's see. This is not programmed. Key is not detected, so we know that's not programmed. Let's go ahead and pick the other one. The one's working. Right here. We're gonna put it here. Let's put it right there. Twist knob. There you go. So it's smart key. And that one is detected. So I'm just gonna open the window. It's pretty hot. So let's turn it off. Let's turn it off. Everything works. I would assume. Lock, unlock. See. And this one, of course, doesn't work. All right. And to make sure, first we gotta make sure that this is the right key fob for this car. All right. To find the right key fob for this, you have to open this key in the back, and you'll be able to see the FCC number right here. Let's see if we can read it. Right there, see that? FCC CW TWW B1U 729. Either that, if all keys lost, of course, we're gonna find a different way. So we're gonna go here. We have a Nissan. Let's go to Rogue. Where's the Rogue here? Q R. Where's the R? There you go. Rogue. It's not sport. It said proximity right there. 14 to 21, but we are in. There you go. Rogue. 08 to 13. Page 44. Let's go to page 44. Let's go back here. Let's find a 44. 38. 42, 44. Here you go. Here's the keys. Let's see what we have here. I'm gonna put this down. And Nissan Rogue right there, and that one says CW TWW B1U 729. So it's the same one right there. So we have the right one, and also we gotta test this one. Press unlock. See that 300 megahertz? That's good. And the new one that we have that we're gonna be programming, we got a battery, so this is good. So let's go ahead program this one to the car. All right, so let's go ahead Close the door. We're inside the car. We have the working key fob, and the one we need to program. We're going to be using this Autel KM100. First, let's go ahead to hazard. And let's put this in the on position. We're not going to start it, just on. It's on position right there. So let's go ahead, grab this. Turn off that. Let's go ahead and grab this one here. Let's see if we can see it. All right, let's go to emo. Let's try to auto vin if it'll work. Sometimes it doesn't, but we're gonna try that. Sometimes it's faster to do that. Let's go Nissan. Okay. Okay. Turn on the hazard warning light. Open and close the driver door. Turn on the ignition. So hazard is on. Open and close the driver door. Turn on the ignition. We got it on. Press OK. All right. Scanning the system right now. You can see it's scanning it. Pretty sure this is gonna have a pin code, so we're gonna make sure it's scanned pretty good. And voltage is not too bad. It's supposed to have battery maintenance here, but 12.24s should be okay. We're not gonna take us forever because we have a working key fob. So this one is reading. Let's go to emo status scan first, and it's scanning the whole system. 6 fault codes. So what we're gonna do, once it complete, we're gonna go ahead and erase it. So it might affect us on to the programming part. All right, so you can see it's 90%. Let's go quick DTC erasure. Clean the whole thing. Green, that's good. So what we're gonna do, add key guided. Click the add key guided. This is smart key guided. It's not a blade key. This is smart key. Okay. It's a touchstone smart key or knob style. This is the knob style. So you can see it's kind of like a knob that we had to turn it. So click that one. Let's go start. Execution of this function will erase all keys. So we're warning us that this is gonna erase all the keys and we're gonna put it back together. So continue, yes. Insert the small mechanical key into the knob and turn the ignition to on. So we're gonna get this mechanical key. See if I can remove it. Okay. I might need to cut one later. We'll see. Put this in. The other way around. I think like that, or either this way. Let's go turn it off first. Then insert all the way in, then on. There you go. It has to be inserted all the way in. So you can see that's all the way in. Okay. Turn to on ignition. Okay. Press OK. Got the pin already. All right. Success. Turn off the ignition and take out the mechanical key. Say turn off. Turn off the mechanical key, then press OK. Insert the small mechanical key to be matched to the knob. Turn on the ignition. The emo in flash 5 times, then go out. Insert this one, and then turn the ignition switch. The emo indicator will flash. So let's go here. See that? 5 times. It flashed 5 times. That's good. Then press OK. Program is succeed. Would you like to program the next one? You can program another one. Yes. Turn off the ignition. Take out the mechanical key. So you're gonna have another one of these. Supposedly. Okay. Insert the small mechanical key to the match. Oh, we have to do that. We got another one. We gotta cut another one. We're gonna cut this one. This one we need to cut it. Hold on. Let's turn it off. Okay. Because this one needs to be cut. I didn't cut it. So we continue this one by start to program the remote, the smart remote control function, which is this part. So let's go press OK. Insert the program small mechanical key and turn to the ignition switch. We have one, so let's put it in and it said turn it on. Okay, let's press OK. Do you want to raise all original smart key control? No, we don't have to. Let's try with no. Place the smart key to be learned to the ignition switch and press the lock and lock button once. So let's try this one. Place the smart key learn. There you go. This one says OK already. So we just press 1. Would you like to program the next one? Yes. So the second one that we have, we're gonna press 1. Lock to unlock. There you go. Success. Program success. Would you like to program the next one? So no. I think we have 2. Learning completed. Check the key if the vehicle can be started. Okay. So let's go ahead and remove this one. This should be programmed. Alright, let's try this one. Lock, unlock. This one works. That's the old one, and this one is okay. It works too. So what we're gonna do is, if the remote start is working, so I'm gonna grab, I'm not gonna use this bag here. We can, but you know what, let's use it just in case. Let's put these 2 in the bag and put it on top of the car. I'll put it on top of the car. Okay, let's see if we can start the car. Of course we can't. Let's go ahead, grab the old ones. Grab the old ones. Grab one, let's put it here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top. Let's see if we'll start the car. Press the brake pedal. All right, so this one still works. Okay, let's remove this. All right, what I'm gonna do is grab the second one. Okay, move this one to the top of the car. Just make sure it's not being sniffed. Put it there. Press the brake pedal. All right, that thing starts. Awesome. Now what we're gonna do is cut the key and program this one again. But that should be it. We're just gonna cut this one and we should be done. All right, guys. Hope you like this video. That one is pretty straightforward. And this is for 2011 Nissan Rogue using Autel KM100. And we just use an aftermarket key fob. All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. All right. The one I cut is programmed as well. So this is the original one. Let's put it in. Start. And the second one that I cut goes in as well. And start. All right, guys. Everything's good.